Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got Love Me Long Time here by BronxLockPicker60. Pinned up in December of 2017. I'm not sure what kind of keyway this is. I'm really not sure. Looks kind of like a Corbin that I've seen, but I wouldn't bet more than 25 cents on that being accurate. And I've tried to get in here a few times, and it's a little tricky because those number 2 and 3 do not seem to need, it seems like they don't really need to be touched very much. But 4 and 5 sure do. Right now, I would guess that I overset 2 and 3 while I was trying to get 4 and 5. But we'll see if we can get them back down. Tried picking from this area here, but it requires a thinner pick for sure. I think that was 4 and 5. Check. Ooh, 2 feels like it's binding. Okay. I wouldn't think that it needs to be lifted very much, but that was 3. And it seems to have come back down. Very light tension right now. Feels like I just got 2, maybe 3, and then I overset something. Got all mushy on me. Gonna try to go the other way. Go. Get out of there. Okay. Number 1, what's going on here? Again, I think that it just needs to be touched, and I think I just got it. Same with 3. There's a nicer false set. I'm going to come back to 1. Just kind Start over. Just dropped pins. What did I drop? I mean, it had to have been in the back. It seems like I got it set again. There we go. I think that's 3 and 4. I mean 2 and 3. Uh-oh. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm going to try this little, I think it's from the SS Dev kit, and I'm going to try to go on this right hand side and see if I can get number 1. See if it needs to be picked some more because it's acting funky. There we go. I think I just got 1. Uh-oh. Where did all the others go? Five. 4 maybe? There we go, finally. It actually opened on 1. Wow, that was awesome. That was a lot of fun. I have tried to pick that a number of times, and I just kept getting caught up and oversetting 2 and 3. Finally got it. Okay. And what kind of clip do we have here? We got a regular old clip. That was easy to get off of there. That is awesome. And yeah, I've been, when I have some of those harder clips, I've been filing those down, the little tabs. Not this kind, but the harder clips. And that really helps to get it taken off more easily. Thought, it's not going to be in use, so might as well do that. Now we've got, see what we have here. Oh, all right. It's a 6-pin lock, but only 5 of them are populated. But it looks like a 5-pin key. So. And got some work done in here, of course. Perfect. You saw that key worked perfectly. It definitely have some threading in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it looks like he did a little bit of filing on those threads so that they're not super sharp, so that those pins move up and down, but they still get caught nice. That's a T-pin, key pin spool, and that is one heck of a spool in 2. And this caused me problems. I am sure of that. I'm sure I was, because it would allow me to overlift and then go into a false set. Really, really nice serrated. And a little bit of spool action on 3. And a little itty bitty T-pin key pin. Another nice serrated in 5. Alright, we've got that marked. 1, we've got a really nice spool, and it's really serrated. And a steel spring. No modifications to the chamber. Oh, darn it. I don't know which way that goes. I would imagine it goes sharp side down. I don't know. We'll look at that. It's a barrel type pin and a copper spring. No modification to the chamber. Really nice serrated. And looks like a steel spring. Could be copper. No modification to the chamber. Man, what's my problem here? I think it went that way. Very, very serrated. That's really pretty. No surprise there. And a copper spring. And in 5 we have a serrated, and I'll bet that will come into play in all kinds of ways. No modifications to the Bible, but let's check this out. I'll bet this will be fun. But okay, I'll put these in one at a time. There's a T-pin key pin in 1, and then above it is this really cool serrated spool, I would call that. Number 2, like I said, there's this really sharp spool. And this guy above it. I don't know how much, since that's so long, it will come into play. I'm guessing it goes sharp side down, but I don't know if BronxLockPicker60 or anybody else who's picked this camera and Dunn knows exactly how it needs to go. Let me know. I'll try to see if I can find it in a video. 3 has this really nice serrated with a little bit of spool at the top, like a serrated barrel, I would call that. In 3, driver. This short guy, that's a reduced diameter, it looks like, and serrated on the reduction, and this will be fun to see. This really, really serrated pin here. That goes down pretty far. And a serrated in 5. Alright. This guy here, I think it went serrations down, but I'll bet that spool comes in. Yep, that spool comes into play like that. So it could be done either way. Either way, not completely certain, but just let me know if you notice any issues with it. There we go. All right. Well, thank you, Cameron Dunn, for sending this to me. Thank you, BronxLockPicker60, for making this lock and sending it out to the community. I hope to be picking a lot more soon. It's been very busy. Had a little bit of a health issue too, but everything is good. Everything checked out. No big deal. I did have to have a whole bunch of tests done to make sure nothing was wrong. Nothing major was wrong, but Everything was good. I have no reason to not exercise. If you see me out there eating a cheeseburger, tell me to put it down and get a salad. If you see me sitting around, tell me to get up and do something. Everybody, be good and be well.